guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Converse Run Style Motion Ox. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Converse Run Style Motion, the Ox. We got these in a black, white egret colorway in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a men's US size 8.5. And let's get an unboxing. Here they are. This is crazy. So for those that don't know, they're the first versions of the Run Style Motions that came out were the highest, and obviously it was only a matter of time for the Ox, the low version, to follow suit. And I just remember seeing those high ones. They sold out on the day. I haven't seen it been done on a general release pair of Converses, but these, they're wild, you know? They remind me of a mutated version of a Converse, Chuck Taylor All-Star. With all that said, we'll get into the details. So we'll start with this outsole. This outsole is a lugged outsole. You can see that it makes that look. It's very unique, very wild. You don't expect this from a Converse, but you'd expect it from like a collaboration. So we look at the Midsole Unit. Sorry, I forgot to mention that this is rubber essentially, with the gum color and the black. And you can see that window of the CX foam, which makes the midsole, and we're moving on to it. So you see that Midsole Unit, it's made out of that CX foam. It's very new. Believe it or not, these are very lightweight. But like I mentioned, this is a whole different level for Converse. It reminds me of a designer brand, as though a designer brand collaborated with Converse to make these, but this is from the brains at Converse headquarters, those designers. Congratulations, guys. You made such a unique sneaker, and it's taken the whole chunky trainer trend and just run with it, just giving it its Converse DNA as well. Honestly, guys, this is wild. Having one in my hand, it's just lightweight, but it's still got that Converse DNA. So we look at the upper. This upper looks like it's been fused to a Balenciaga Triple S. So you got the canvas that you all see in a pair of Chuck Taylor pair of Chuck Taylor All-Stars. This canvas upper here, traditional stitching. On the tongue, you've got the Chuck Taylor stripper there. Flat laces, rubber toe. So it's incorporating everything that you know and love about Converse Chuck Taylors. And where's the All-Star logo? The All-Star logo is at the heel, where the outsole just extends all the way to the back, and you've got this massive star right there. Now, you guys, if you're wondering what does it feel like, is it really heavy? It really isn't, guys. It's that CX foam, and what's great is that the foam, the CX foam, is incorporated in this CX sock liner that the insole is made out of. You're gonna have to take my word, guys. This is really soft. It feels like a gel insole, and I can't wait to try these on. Honestly, what they look on, how they're gonna look on me. I'm excited because I can just by touching this gel insole, I know it's gonna be comfortable on the underside of my feet. Currently, guys, I'm wearing some JW Anderson Uniqlo cargo pants. If you're wondering what I'm going to be wearing for the on feet, which I'm really excited to do. But that footage of me trying these on. If there's anyone from Converse watching, send us some Converses our way. We love Converses here at Oneupreviewz. We've got a whole playlist dedicated to Converse and my love for Chuck Taylor All-Stars. So check that out if you ever get the chance, or just are interested. With all that said, put that footage of me trying these crazy wild sneakers on. when it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down. I think a UK size 7 would have been just better. I would have felt a bit more lockdown support. There's a bit of slippage on my heel here. You can see it there when I move. But other than that, these sneakers are really comfy. That CX sock liner that's inside the insole, it's beautiful. But I can't tell you how soft it is for the underside of my feet. I thought it would be a bit tight as well, because when I wear some Converses, my feet are just really hugging the canvas for life. But these, there's a bit of give, but obviously that's because these are a half size bigger than what I should be wearing. But yo, these are gonna draw some eyes. These are gonna be a conversation starter if you wear these. They're a bit too wide for me, but you know, they give me a bit more height to what I really am. So hopefully I'll be 6 foot soon. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.